Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I've already taken the first bite before I remember to show you how fluffy this looks. So for this donut, we'll be using this my cup, about 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and I also be adding 1 teaspoon of cardamom. If you don't have cardamom, you can add nutmeg. So I will also be adding half teaspoon of salt. And I will mix the dry ingredients together just like so. Set aside. Over here I have warm milk, 2/3 cups of warm milk, and is about 160 milliliter. And inside the warm milk I will be adding the sugar, about 50 grams. Here is the cup, 1/4 cups or 60 ml. And I will be adding 1.5 teaspoon of yeast. I will stir and cover it so that the yeast will proof before making use of it. I will leave this for about 10 minutes before we come back to it. And this is how I cover it. First with a nylon, plastic foil, and then a cloth. Then after 10 minutes, this is how it looks. You can see that the yeast has activated very well, just like so. Then I also have 30 grams of butter. That is about 2 tablespoons of butter. Then I will be adding the wet ingredients inside the dry ingredients together with the butter or margarine. Then I will mix everything together. Just continue combining it together till it comes together. At the beginning it will look a little bit messy, but yeah, just keep doing it. Before you know it, it will stop sticking on your palms and on the bowl. Then you cover it again and allow it to stay for at least 50 minutes. But I couldn't wait 50 minutes. I waited for 30 minutes. I was rushing somewhere, so I just had to make this. And it also depends on the temperature in your place. Here is not that warm in Norway. It's -18 the day I was making this, so don't expect it to rise that much. Need to remove the air in it. You can sprinkle some flour on it to enable it to be workable. Then after kneading it flat, at least 1 millimeter, then you can start cutting it. I have a donut cutter which I'll be making use of. Here is it. So just put it on it, twist it, and you have your donut shape. Just remove the one in the middle. And please subscribe to my channel. You can add egg into your donuts as well, but this is eggless donut. So once the oil has heated up, deep fry it on a low heat so that it will cook evenly. The inside will be cooked before you start consuming it. And once it turns golden brown, it's ready. And this is what we have. Thank you so much for watching. You can eat it like this. You can allow it to cool down and sprinkle some icing sugar. Then enjoy with any drink of your choice. Bye.